How to set up parental controls on an Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to set up and add parental controls to an Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is simply swipe up and find the settings app and open up the settings. Then in the settings here, scroll down until you see parental controls. Now there's two different ways you can set up parental controls. You can have them localized on this phone, or if your child has their own phone and you want to be able to control that from your Google account and your phone, you can set it up with Google Family Link. So if you want to just set it up on a phone maybe that you share with your child, something like that, you could toggle this on, set up a PIN. So enter the PIN and then confirm your PIN. You can then add an email address, and then you can set up daily limits and app limits as well as web content filters. So you just would go in here and you can configure what kind of filtering and different blocking of web content your phone will do. And if you want to get past that, you would just need to enter your PIN. So a child would not be able to gain access to that content without entering the PIN. You can also set up app limits. So these are apps that your child will not be able to use without entering the PIN. Daily limits, where you can limit how long they can use the phone without entering a PIN. And then they also have downtime, where during the time period you set, the phone will not be able to be used unless the PIN is entered. So it's pretty cool and really easy to set up. Now, if you want to control it from your phone or your Google account, you can monitor things that they're doing. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off by just entering the PIN again. All we need to do is select Get Google Family Link. So once you get in here, scroll down and select Get Started. Then you just need to select your child or teen's account and select Supervise Account. So if you already have a family group set up, it's going to show your email address because you will be the owner of that family. So go ahead and select Next, or you can create your family. Then it's going to ask you to enter the email address or phone number of the parent's Gmail account. So go ahead and do that and select Next. So now all you need to do is enter the password for your Gmail account, and it may ask you to confirm on your actual phone. It'll bring you to how it works, and it'll give you some information, different things that you can do with it and how you can use it. So just scroll down. It'll show you the devices that you can supervise. And then all we need to do is enter the password for the account that we're supervising. So for your child or teen's account. So go ahead and do that. So once you entered the supervised account's password, it'll bring you here where you need to be the admin for your device. So select Next. And then we just need to allow supervision on this device. So select Allow. And then we can, from this device, set up how we want some content management here. So you can control for Google Play different things that they can download and set the rating for different apps or games, movies, TV shows they can watch. You can go in here and you can select what you want. Same thing for books. You can make sure that any explicit books are not allowed. You can filter for Google Chrome right there. And then you can also filter for Google Search. So you could set that up the way you want it. Once you've configured that, select Next, and then you're done. And now you can go to your Gmail. You should have got an email from Google about this, or you can go to families.google.com and you'll be able to configure and change all this and also monitor what is going on your teen or child's phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.